is Sanjana. I'm studying in first year AIDS. Today I'm going to explain about digital notice board under innovation and design thinking. Let us see what details about digital notice board. Digital notice board is an electronic display system used to share information, announcements, or messages in various settings such as schools, offices, and public spaces. It replaces traditional physical notice boards with a digital screen that can digital text message, images, videos, and other multimedia content. This allows for more dynamic and timely communication. This technology allows for easy updates and customization of content. It helps to keep everyone updated on upcoming events, opportunities, meetings, holidays, as well as can also share emergency news with students and taken without hard work and wasting of time. Many appreciate and convenience of digital notice boards as they allow for quick and easy updates. They can display real-time information and announcements without the need to physical print and replace paper notices. Some advantages are we can easily post and update informations and we can reach a large number of audiences. We can make our notice more eye-catching. Like and some disadvantages are also there: technical issues, security risk, initial cost, and other. These are some disadvantages, advantages, and information about digital notice board. Thank you.